YouTube launched their YouTube AI tool called Ask Studio. This is YouTube's new AI tool that can gather all the comments, feedback, and stats from your channel, then gives you a plan in creating videos that works specifically for your channel. To see if you have access, open up your YouTube Studio and look for the Ask Studio symbol that looks like a star. Once you click on it, it opens up a chat box just like any other chat AI you use. Then you can just ask it questions. Alternatively, you can also head to your analytics and right at the top, you'll see some preset questions that you can click on to start Ask Studio. So let's go ahead and test this. I'm too lazy to type, so I will just start by clicking on the first question and ask Studio, how did viewers find my content? Okay, so that was pretty quick, pretty impressive. Ask Studio analyzed my last 28 days worth of content and gave me a nice breakdown. Here are the numbers, which I won't bore you with. And then there's this part which I think is what most YouTube channels need. Direction. So let's see what Ask Studio suggests. First, search is a powerhouse. I guess that's a good thing. So search is my top source. It says that my title and description are well optimized, and that's because my content is most likely answering questions people search for. Alright, fine. Great, I guess. What's next? I also have strong browse performance. Having high views from browse features means the YouTube algorithm is successfully recommending your videos to people based on their interests. This is a great sign. Your thumbnails and titles are grabbing attention. So hold on a second here, right? My titles and thumbnails are working. You know, if there's anything I learned from reading my comments, it is that my titles and thumbnails are the least likely to work. But let's not argue who is right or wrong here because that is subjective. Let's just base that on views. We'll use numbers to be the judge. So the last 28 days, I released 4 videos, okay? 1 video a week. And each video gained less than 2,000 views. I don't know if I should laugh or cry here, but YouTube is telling me that the algorithm is successfully recommending my videos to the right people and that I am getting high views from it. Question is less than 2,000 views considered high views? So anyways, maybe I'm interpreting this wrongly. Ask Studio did recommend based on people's interests, so maybe what it failed to say is that very little people are interested in the topic I presented. Which is worse, I guess. Alright, moving on. There's also this suggested video which is the end screen. Hardly anyone goes all the way to the end of my video anyways, so I think this contributes very little. Alright, let's try something else here. Let's ask Studio to suggest new video ideas. I guess this is a good question, knowing what video to do next rather than guessing. Okay, so Ask Studio generated 3 video ideas using my tone and style. Okay, the first suggested video is the truth about clickbait. Why honesty is your best long-term strategy. Why this works. Your audience has expressed a strong dislike for deceitful clickbait. This video aligns with your brand of authenticity while teaching how to package videos effectively. Alright, just from this alone, I know that this here isn't a representation of my whole channel. This is just from one video because I know what video this is. But maybe because I had it analyzed by my last 28 days, so maybe it skewed the data a little. The suggestion is alright. It is a topic I can think about, but the title it gave on the truth about clickbait, I know for sure it is not going to work just based on my own experience. But maybe that's not a title, maybe that's a topic, but it does seem like a title suggestion at first. Okay, next, how small channels get brand deals without millions of views. This was a specific request in your comments for advice on sponsorships. So this here, I reckon is a good idea and maybe it is something I can do, but again, I don't think that sort of title works for my channel. Anything to do with how-to on my channel always gets me troll comments. They will say I can't even grow my channel, so I'm not authorized to give advice. They will say I don't know anything, and lots of complaints. And for that reason, how-to videos on my channel generally don't perform well. So the third idea is the algorithm against you? Breaking down the low view trap. Why that works. Viewers are feeling discouraged by the fickle algorithm. This video will validate their feelings while providing an analytical look. What do you think of these directions? I think it is not going to work. Why? Because my channel is not big enough to talk about low views. I mean, look at my channel. How can I talk about low view trap if I can't even get 10,000 views on average? So I think this last idea suggested is completely out of touch, and I don't know what was analyzed to come to this idea. Okay, so the idea suggestion was subpar. Let's try and have Ask Studio analyze my latest video performance. Alright, I honestly think this analysis is pretty good. It actually covers all of the key measures for a successful video. Like audience retention, says here my video is performing above typical average view duration of about 42.3%. My average range is normally 40 to 50%, so I'm not entirely sure if it is above typical. If anything, I would say this is still typical. I have a highly engaging hook as well. Regular viewers are sticking around longer than new viewers showing high trust. Whoa, hold on a second. So my new viewers only watched less than 40% of the video. Is that why I'm having trouble growing my channel? Anyways, 78% of my views come from YouTube recommendations. So the algorithm is successful in finding me my audience of creator study. What's creator study? Okay, a quick Google Trends search shows me that there is literally no interest in creator study. So what the hell? How is that considered effective? That's like saying the YouTube algorithm successfully recommended my video to no one. Let's just move on to opportunities for improvement, because I think this is the big one. I need this to solve all my problems once and for all. Polarizing topic sentiment. The clickbait and automation discussion has sparked some debate in the comments. Some viewers feel that the strategies discussed compromised ethics. That's debatable. Lower retention among new viewers. New viewers are dropping off much sooner. This could be because the meta-analysis of other channels is very specific. Find ways to make the what's in it for me even clearer for a random viewer. Okay, this I agree. I do think that regular viewers and new viewers watch the video from two different perspectives, even for the same content. And new viewers always have the thinking of, what do I get out of this? They are very unlikely to care what you have to say about yourself. So if you really want to grow your channel, you need more videos that help new viewers and not so much your regular viewers. Probably not something I should say to my subscribers, but that is the truth. Okay, so recommendations from Ask Studio. Double down on creator quests. Frame your next technical tutorial as an experiment or mission. Address the ethics debate. Address your audience's concern directly. A/B test thumbnails for new viewers. Since your CTR is healthy but standard, that's a subtle jab. Try testing a version of the thumbnail that focuses more on the emotional result. This is pretty good, and I agree, except for the ethics debate. That's like gossip to me, and it does get views, but it doesn't lead my channel anywhere. The other idea about creator quests, I actually think that is a good idea, but I already thought of that a few months ago. And you can see my recent videos are already moving towards that direction, and it is performing better than my random recipe videos. For the A/B test thumbnails one, again, it's back to the regular viewer versus new viewer problem, which I too think it is about time I focus on creating content for new viewers. So that's the first impression I got from Ask Studio. It is not 100% accurate, and all of the suggestions made is really based on the data available on my channel, which is great in a way, but also it is heavily skewed, especially for channels like mine that don't have enough views for analysis and make suggestions. But still, Ask Studio sounds very confident in the ideas, recommendations, and suggestions presented, and I'm not sure if that's a good thing. I have more to do to play around with AI Studio. I've only touched the surface level, so be sure to keep an eye out on what else I find that might be useful for you. So that's all from me, and thanks for your time.